Yes. Swing from there. Whoa.
Je fais une chute depuis longtemps. Baby, won't you be mine? J'aimerais que tu saches que I'm falling for you. Je fais une chute depuis longtemps.
Hi guys. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I do this half up, half down, all behind cornrows and knotless braids. Actually, I already have a video on my channel showing you guys how I do my knotless braids, and also I have a very detailed video also showing you guys how to do fit in cornrows, because these cornrows are fit in cornrows. So I will try to link the videos up, and also please do watch this video to the end, because I will link other videos to this video so that you can go ahead and watch the videos which I mentioned in this video. So guys, today I was actually doing this and then I forgot I had to record, but I actually did 2 of the cornrows so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So if you're interested in watching videos like this, please like, share, subscribe, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. So actually this is just a simple style where you just do all the cornrows behind, and then I have a video showing you guys how I part my hair before cornrows or braiding, like how I separate them in the middle. I will just link the video up so you see. So first of all, I always try to start with braiding the client's natural hair, and then I start adding tiny pieces and then increasing the size as I go. The more I braid, the more I increase the sizes. So I always actually this is a fit in method. It's not like the Ghana braiding where you have to cross it in front. So I was doing the fit-in method actually, but from this video it's like I was doing the Ghana, but I ended up doing just the fit-in. The more I get hair, the more I add. So sometimes I was adding and then I braid like 4 to 5 times before I add again, because I wanted to maintain the same the same size of the other braids. So guys, I don't know if I was doing fit in or Ghana braiding here. Actually I was doing the Ghana braiding, because once you cross the hair above your client's hair, it's called Ghana braiding. Because she had, okay, I realized she had her 4C hair, she had natural hair. So instead of doing the fit in braids will make it old quick. So I always I use the Ghana braiding method. I'll cross the hair as I'm going, and then I braid until when I feel like I'm satisfied with the size, I will stop adding the hair, and then I'll only add the hair later when I'm done doing the cornrows, if you get what I mean. Like I have a detailed video for fit in braids. Maybe I should make a detailed video for this Ghana braiding, if you don't mind. If you want to, let me know in the comment section below. So I will let you guys see this second braid, second cornrow. Sorry, I always try to part the hair on this in the same sizes, and then I will be taking the braiding hair in tiny pieces. Whenever I feel like it's too bulky at the point, I won't add, but when I feel like it's okay to add, I will add hair. So it's just a matter of you, how you feel the quantity of hair, how you see the sizes of the hair. I don't know if I'm blind because it's a little bit blurry, I'm sorry. So it depends on you how you want your sizes to be. So the more you braid, you will know if you want to add hair or not. So this is what we got from what I have been doing. So guys, these things you just need to eyeball everything, like try to figure out where to add hair, where to not to add, and all that. So I was done. Now I'm just going to finish the braid and then add some beads. If you want to see a video how I add beads, you can also let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to make it for you. You guys, look how these braids are so beautiful. Like, everyone wanted to get this, but man, I enjoyed doing this hair. So guys, if you're in Shanghai, China, and you want to get yourself same braids, you can, or if you're in China as a whole, you want to get this braid, you can add me on WeChat with the information on this screen, or click the link down below to order a wig. You will get my number and then you will add me on WeChat, or just add me on WeChat with my WeChat ID, which is stecybenz, and then we'll talk from there. And also, if you want a wig also, you can also click the link that says to order a wig, and then we'll meet on my WeChat. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.